Welcome to the Fort in Fort Lauderdale, where Playsight Smart Core technology transforms the way you train, play, and experience the game. Record your match and experience real-time AI highlights and statistics powered by Playsight Smart Core technology here at the Fort. To get started, scan the QR code with your own mobile device to start the recording of your match. Each sign also provides you with instructions on how to get started as well. Once you have the Playsight app open using your free account, set the duration of how long you're playing and opt in or out of the AI capabilities that the system offers. Should you opt in to automated highlights and statistics of your match, you will be given a couple of different options on how to subscribe. Whether you want to do a one-off purchase, an unlimited monthly subscription, or an unlimited yearly subscription, you have several options in order to get your automated highlights and statistics. Use Apple Pay or Google Pay to subscribe, and if you choose monthly or annually, you'll only have to opt in one time. Now your Smart Court session is initializing and you can get ready to play while Playsight's AI captures your best moments and statistics of your match. While you're playing, use Playsight's instant replay capabilities in the Playsight app to review if a ball was in or out, or to provide real-time feedback during a lesson. These capabilities are also available to every Playsight user in the app post-match or practice as well, where you can draw on the video, zoom in, or even record your voice over a clip and share it as a text message. Most importantly, once you're done playing, now it's time to review your stats and your best moments of your match. Open the Playsight app, stop your session, and click on the AI Analysis tab. Then simply select what player you are in the match to get your personalized highlight and statistical package. When you open the app, you're going to see your top moments, which are going to be your best individual clips ready to be shared as an Instagram reel or to TikTok. You're also going to get your top coaching clips, which are going to include your condensed match, your top longest rallies, and all of your individual serves. When you click on statistics, you're also going to get a breakdown of your match, including number of rallies, number of shots, average shots per rally, and longest rally total, along with a shot breakdown of what balls were in or out, and a volume shot breakdown by you and your partner. You're also going to get a breakdown of your serves, right to left to right, and then a breakdown of your returns and third shots as well. We're super excited that there will also be more statistics available to you in the coming months. Lastly, to share your best moments to TikTok or Instagram, open the app, click on the clip you want to share as an AI generated vertical, and see it on Instagram within seconds with our AI tracking following the ball inside of that video format. These moments may include a long rally, an amazing save, a power smash, or just a winning point that you want to share on Instagram or TikTok right away. Playing in a match and want to share it with your family and friends? Have them go to Fort TV, where all live matches will be streamed for tournaments and events. Share your best moments, live or on demand, and come play at the Fort, where every court is a smart court.